Lalita Express is depart from here at 14 p.m. You can see. So this is car number 4 and car number 4. So this is another train, it's not Market train. So you always we have to, it will come on time. You can see Yamunota line. So the Yamunota line is a circle line. So it will cover all important, very very important places in Tokyo. It is like a circle line in London. But this is more, it will cover more stations, more area. So you can see Yamunota line, restroom. So I have only 5.5 kilometers from here to my hotel. So I will try to take a cab, taxi, because I have a small luggage. This is the station, Shibuya station. Entrance or exits. So you can see people, Japanese people going everywhere. So I came out of Shibuya station. So you can see. So Tokyo line, Fukutoshin line, Anzomon line, so Ginza line, all are metro lines. Denen, Toshi line, so they're all metro. So I have to take taxi. So because I have a luggage. These are the buses from Shibuya station. So this is Shibuya Scramble Square. So where is the busiest crossing in the world, busiest zebra crossing or TP crossing and signals. This is called Shibuya Scramble Square. So I will just go and watch later. It's all looking crazy here. So this guy is helping us to look at taxi. So these are the buses. This is a taxi stand I am standing. So I just came out from that entrance exit. This is Shibuya. You can see. Can anyone say that this is a train station? So this is Shibuya train station. So this is Tokyo. So first time, my first ever in Tokyo. So taxi is coming, I will stop and I have just entered a taxi point, and I have shown the hotel address to this guy, driver. He said it's okay. So now I am going to hotel in this taxi. It is very cold outside. I just came in this taxi. So the charge was 1200 Japanese yen. So that means around 700 800 rupees. So it is, I think, 2.5 to 3 kilometers from Shibuya. So this is my hostel. So I'm going to stay here for 5 nights. I'm buying for the first time in Japan, Tokyo. So I'm taking this water bottle. It is 118 yen. 118 yen means it's almost like 78 rupees, Indian rupees. So this is close to my hostel in Shibuya. So I will go and pay money now. So this is a typical family mart. This is a family mart where I have bought water and nuts, cashew nuts and other nuts. So this is the highway on the top, and down also you can see the subway. So I am now going to Indian restaurant to have my lunch. So I asked them. That person told me that I have to cross the street, so I can't cross like this. I have to take a foot over bridge. So I am on foot over bridge. So I will cross the street, and then he said you can find it on the left side. It's a Nepali restaurant, so it is a small restaurant, but it's fine. So this is Shibuya, near Shibuya. So this is the highway road here, Shibuya. I am waiting at a crossing in Shibuya, close to Shibuya. So now I have got a green signal. I can walk now. So with other people. So now I have to search for a Indian restaurant. So that is important. Feeling hungry. Okay. Shibuya is the place where we can find. So door delivery are also available. But I am yet to check into my hostel. So once I check in, so I will have a room and bed. So then I can order food if it is far from my hotel. So if it is nearby, just I can come and have it anytime. So it looks like Shehansha. So that is the one. Shehansha is there, second floor. You can see. So on the top, second floor, 2F. 2F means second floor. So Shahenshah is definitely Indian, maybe Bangladeshi or Pakistani or Nepali or whatever, but it's definitely we get Indian food. I will try to cross here. On the top, Shahenshah. So dining and bar. So you can say Indian flag. See Indian flag. That means it is it's showing Indian restaurant. So this is their price. It is open. So chicken tikka salad, aloo kachar. So yes, it's definitely Indian. Naan, bread, everything is available. So I'm fine for next 5 days. Huh? Okay. This is aloo matar curry and it is a butter naan. So this is the biggest butter naan I have ever seen or eaten in my life. And they have also given salad. So and tea is free. Tea is complimentary. So water they have given with ice. So I can have tea after the lunch because it's almost 3 o'clock. I had very good lunch. Indian curry, then aloo matar, butter naan, tea, and now I'm going back to my hotel. So I have to check in. Check-in is 4 p.m. So now it's almost like 3:45. So I will reach there at 10 minutes from here. So it's correct time. So this is Shibuya. So Shin Sencho. Shin Sencho is the place. So this is my hostel in Shibuya. So it is on the main road. I'm going to stay here for 5 nights. Let me see how it looks. This is my bed in the hostel. Just checked in. It's a bed number 25. Decent to stay and sleep. This is busiest crossing, scramble crossing. It's called scramble crossing. This is busiest crossing in the world, pedestrian crossing. The Shibuya crossing, Shibuya scramble crossing. You can see so many people crossing in just maybe a couple of 1 or 2 minutes from this side to that side. There are several pedestrian crossings. This is Shibuya during the night. This is the bus. I came from bus number 22 from my hostel. So you can see all big towers. So there are important places in Tokyo like Ginza, Shibuya, Akihabara and Shinjuku. So these are all important heart of Tokyo, central Tokyo. So now crossing started. So we can see hundreds of people. Thousands of people cross every day. So people taking videos, YouTubers. See the people. This is the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world at one signal. I am just diagonally walking. We should not walk diagonally. So we have a habit of diagonal walking. So we should always walk straight or left or right, but not diagonal. So this is finished for now. So I will wait for next signal. My hostel is just 2 kilometers from this famous Shibuya. That's why it is expensive. Very nice. Very fast. Washing machine is there. Kitchen is there. Common area is there. Sharing. So everything is here. So I just started. Shibuya crossing. I'm just hiding beside a tape pole so that I can take the vaccine. People are going with mobile phones in their hands and they are just recording. It's still green color. The pedestrian crossing signal. So it will stop whenever it turns into red. Then we full stop crossing.